Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the tire on your vehicle or trailer, and the tools you'll need, guys, is a valve stem core remover. So okay guys, whenever I'm changing tires, I like to have at least 3 tire irons, so that gives me enough prying power. So first you want to get that right there, guys, then we can get a second one in right here, and then we can just relax it a bit and get our third one in. So that gives us way to get the tire off the rim, guys. And you're always going to replace your middle one. So if you can't get your tool in, you just need to relax it a bit and probably get up a bit closer, guys, and just work it off like that. No rush. So we're basically done, guys. So we're halfway there. So next, guys, we can just hold the rim from the back like this and use our tire iron going down over into the rim and under the tire, and then pushing it off like that, guys. You probably can just be able to step on it and work it off. So you just gotta take your time and work it, guys. See, guys, something you just gotta relieve it so that you can get the tire iron back under at a farther point. So we should be able to rip it out now, guys. Alright. So that's how you remove your tire, guys. I will make a video on how to install it, guys, so you can check that video out. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see y'all on the next one. Thank you.